MultiTalk. This is an audio-driven digital human technology. We recently received an implementation of its universal model version.
A single branch heavy with rich fragrance, dew clings to its bloom. In the misty rain of Wushan, love is broken and sorrow lingers. Who in the Han Palace can compare to her? Alas, the swallow in new makeup leans gracefully.
I think it's really great. It works well for realistic effects and even for supernatural ones too. If your mouth is small, you can still make almost the same mouth movements. So the input required for MultiTalk has two parts, one being images. One is an audio image, and we can create relevant images for input using context. For audio, we can use IndexTTS to create it. Then we look at the workflow. Here, it uses the RunningHub online comfy AI platform MultiTalk. In this case, it is independently loaded based on the Wanxiang base model and can be used as a node similar to Fantasy Talking for loading. This is where you can use the NOR model within the world of knowledge graphs. It uses the light XUV acceleration model, so we can generate results in just 5 steps, which is much faster. This basic process comes from KG's original example. It is essentially a graph-to-video workflow. Apart from the basic process of converting images to video, there are two connections below. One is Unity 3D, and the other is MultiTalk encoding. So for encoding MultiTalk, we need to load the audio first. Once the audio is loaded, we can start the encoding process. Another connection point is Unity 3C. So if we want to achieve the effect of audio-driven digital humans, we actually don't need UN3C. UN3C controls our camera movement, but in KJ's example, it was incorporated into the script. We can use it or remove it like other processes if needed. The MultiTalk itself doesn't require UN3Cs. It can run independently. So in the example, it's unnecessary to repeat an image 81 times as a reference for camera control. I even think it would weaken our dynamics. So in this UN3C place, we only have 3 options: open, load reference video, and close. So we've got the general idea of this process. I actually have great confidence in the Wanxiang system. Under the construction of knowledge graphs, the Wanxiang video model system has become highly complex and offers an extremely strong level of playability. According to the official statement from MultiTalk, this model can be used together with the base model. It hasn't been tried yet, but that makes it quite interesting. Then we look at some results. I use the cloud mirror here, and you can see that the language in the shots becomes very rich, but the mouth movements are not obvious anymore. After removing Cloud Mirror 3C, we can try adding some dynamics through prompts like this product demonstration. There's no problem at all. Using the potato videos from Wanxiang can achieve this level. Just let Jairus give him some motion effects. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the description to register and get 1200 HP. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. There are 2 more processes that are even more interesting attempts. One is edit the image input items. I use context to merge 2 images together. We basically want this character to perform product demonstrations, so we'll use it as our MultiTalk image input. For audio input, we can also generate it from scratch. I recommend using the IndexTTS tool, which is open source by Bilibili. It can imitate an audio segment and then generate another based on text input. Let's listen to the result.
The top notes of this perfume are a perfect blend of fresh Italian citrus and grass violet leaves, just like the first rays of sunlight piercing through dewy morning.
It's really powerful. I'm referencing a single audio stream here, and you can adjust the frame rate accordingly. It should be 25 frames per second. Everyone can adjust it based on their own audio length. I also made another interesting implementation later on, combining Maggrave with the Black Array. The Black Array also lip syncs, but it's video lip syncing. This place is clearly lip syncing to the image. So for lip syncing to video, we need a video input option. If you're doing product demonstrations, Maggrave is quite good. I took the Maggrave double image reference directly, then combined it with the audio generation from IndexTTS. That way we can create a video generated from nothing at all. Let's take a look at the results.
The top notes of this perfume are a perfect blend of fresh Italian citrus and grass violet leaves, just like the first rays of sunlight piercing through dewy morning.
It's also great, but where's the problem? The videos generated from my end were too short, and then I combined them on Hugagem. Actually, if we make the video a bit longer, we can achieve a much better result. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models, such as Video, Kaling, and Wanxiang. Some specifications are even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.